so lover that he gave his only son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish but have eternal life begun. Oh, how he loves us so. He sent his son to save our soul. Eternal life in him we find, a love so pure, so divine. For God did not send his son to condemn the world, but save. Through him we are redeemed, through his precious grace. Oh, how he loves us so. He sent his